What is going on here? There he goes. Hi. Couple of crazies. That's gonna be a fail. Kaboom!
Yay!
Bubba rolled over! Yay! And Teeny farted. Yay!
Can you roll back that way, Bo? Because you always roll one direction.
I might never figure that out yet.
Because you got nowhere else to go here.
Bubba, where are you going? You gotta go that way.
Oh, there he goes. Good
There you
boy.
Yay! Roll back! What a big boy! Uh-oh, there she goes.
I've never seen him back roll going that direction. He's stuck.
Yay! Mr. Bubba's stuck! Hi, Mr. Bubba. Here, stuck little boy. Uh-oh. She's coming to get you. She's coming to get you. Come here. Charlotte, sweetheart, you come in your brother's lap. Come here, baby. Come here for a minute. Let your brother through. Okay, Bubba, I made you a bath.
I probably paused it
When?
just recently, but I don't think I got his last roll.
Come on. No, not a diaper pail's gonna be in his back. That's a good bag. Hi, Viva. Hi, Viva.
Lisa, you can roll that way too. Wow.
Gonna go be nice?
Yikes.
I'm waiting for it. Crack. Any second. Where are you going? Teeny. Teeny. Come here, Nutty. Come here, Nutty girl.
Here, Bubs. Arf.
She's gonna keep following wherever he goes.
I'm trying to give him room and she's just on top of him.
No. My poor little teething baby. Hi. Hi, Mr. Sweet Boy. Hi, Mr. Sweet. How are you, Mr. Sweetie? Hi, Mr. Sweet. Boom. Where are you going, Toons? She's almost got it, Daddy. Mr. Bubba, what are you doing?
Timber.
No, maybe not.
Almost, Bubba. I think he uses the weight of his head to roll.
Probably. baby girl here.
There he goes.
Yay! Look at her, she's pulling her own pants off.
Teeny, we don't need to see your hiney.
Don't get me in the shop when I so she can do it. What? It's just trying to fix your pants. Fix it, fix it, fix it. Go back that way. Go back that way. Go back that way.
Mom, I think your son's head is stuck.
You done?
You done, guys? Teeny.
Honey. Hi. You're all